Do you want to set up AnyDesk on Linux and start using it for remote access? AnyDesk supports a wide range of Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Debian, and OpenSUSE. You can install it using your system's package manager and manage everything directly from the AnyDesk app. For advanced users, AnyDesk also provides a command line interface on Linux for automation and scripting. First, open your browser and go to the AnyDesk downloads page for Linux. On Linux, the recommended way to install AnyDesk is by using the official repositories. This ensures automatic updates through your system's package manager and reduces manual maintenance over time. Choose the installation method that matches your system. Use DEB for Debian-based systems like Ubuntu. Use RPM for Red Hat-based systems like Fedora and OpenSUSE. You'll find direct links to the official DEB and RPM repository instructions in the video description. You can also download individual packages such as .deb, .rpm, or the tar.gz version on the official website. The tar.gz version is a portable option that runs without installing the AnyDesk service on your device. However, for most users, using the official repositories is the preferred approach. After completing the repository setup, AnyDesk will be installed on your system. During installation, you may be asked to enter your administrator password. Once installation is complete, launch AnyDesk from your Applications menu. You can also press Alt plus F2, type AnyDesk, and press Enter. When the application opens, you'll see your AnyDesk ID here. This is the address other devices use to connect to your system. To change essential settings, open the Settings menu in the application. Here you can review options under Security, Connection, and other sections. If you want to connect to this device without someone approving each request, set up Unattended Access. Set a password in the Security section. To connect to another device, open AnyDesk on the device you're connecting from. Enter the remote device's AnyDesk ID into the address field and start the connection. If someone is at the remote device, they can accept the request. If unattended access is enabled, enter the password when prompted. AnyDesk also includes a command line interface on Linux. This is mainly intended for automation and administrative workflows rather than everyday use. If you're interested in using AnyDesk from the command line, a full overview of supported options is available in the AnyDesk Help Center. You'll find a direct link to the Linux CLI documentation in the video description. If AnyDesk doesn't appear in your application menu, don't forget to press Alt plus F2, type AnyDesk, and press Enter. AnyDesk is now set up on Linux. You can adjust settings, connect to another device, and start working securely.